Caddy Mods coming back at you. Got a pair of Foamposites right here. They've been brought to me to do a deep cleaning. Pretty much clean them up, make them look new, which is no problem. That's what I'm good at. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you all around look at the shoe inside of it now. I think these shoes was worn to go mudding, riding dirt bikes, because my homeboy brought them to me. So gonna work some magic on these and get these cleaned up like new for him. Got the little similar dangly, the little hangers, the hangers and bangers. But yeah, again, the Foamposites, dirty, need to be deep cleaned. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock these out, clean them up, make them look new, fresh as I can. Scrub the bottom, got a few scuffs on the soles, a few white marks on the soles for scuffs. Right there, you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and take those off as well. And I'll be back to show you the finished product. Finished product, Foamposites that I just deep cleaned. Took a little longer than I thought. Needed a little bit more elbow grease, as they were dirty, and it wasn't just regular dirt, it was clay. Like, these Foamposites went mudding, so the dirt was clay, meaning it was a little thicker and a little bit harder to get off. I mean, I usually clean, when I do a deep clean, I usually clean 3 or 4 times anyway, so it really didn't matter, but had to do it a little more than I usually do. But all in all, finished product like new as always. When I use my magic and my touch, had some scuffs on there, removed those as well for free of charge. Cleaned the bottom off a little bit, got some of that thick clay off of there. But finished product like new. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. Nike Foamposite deep cleaning.